Hi, I'm Joy from St. Louis, Missouri, and I had the CLR procedure in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. Leading up to surgery, I was definitely a little nervous, but once I got in here on the day of surgery, everybody made me feel so incredibly comfortable and welcomed, and it just met all of my needs. And I would say to anybody who's considering it, do it. I wish I would have done it sooner. My surgery experience was wonderful. I felt absolutely nothing during the procedure. My husband sat and held my hand. Dr. Brinton was very reaffirming and told me exactly what he was doing, and there was no discomfort at all during the procedure. Everybody was so kind and welcoming. This is just the warmest atmosphere, and I'm so pleased that I'm a patient here. My vision now is wonderful. The greatest thing is being able to see the puck when the Blues play hockey. I was not able to see the puck before in wearing either my glasses or contacts, so that has just been the biggest thrill. This is worth $1 million. I'm going to be able to go to the beach and see the ocean clearly, and I can't wait to go dolphin watching so I can see the dolphins. It's just been the greatest experience of my life.